Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This is my very first upload and I'm so excited to have you all here with me. If you're passionate about AI tools, image generation and technology, you're in the right place. I have a fantastic lineup of tools to share with you that will blow your mind. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you're excited, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your support means everything and helps me create more great content for you. Alright, now that you're all settled in, let's jump right into today's topic, some of the best free AI tools for image generation. And stick around until the end, because I have a special bonus tool and a few extra tips that you won't want to miss. Tool 1. Art Breeder. Let's start with Art Breeder. Now, Art Breeder is a platform where creativity meets technology. The beauty of Art Breeder is that you can create high-quality images just by combining and mixing images that already exist or using prompts to generate new ones. Let's walk through it step by step. Go to the Composer section, where you can select different categories like portraits, landscapes, and even characters. You enter your desired prompt, like a futuristic cityscape or a serene mountain scene, and hit Enter. Art Breeder will then generate the image for you in a few seconds. What I love about Art Breeder is the ability to fine-tune the generated image, adjusting the face features or even adding new colors and textures. Once you're happy with your creation, you can download it and use it however you like. Now, if you want even more detailed results, Art Breeder allows you to blend your image with others or use it in projects. If you're someone who loves creating characters or surreal artwork, this tool will be a game changer for you. Tool 2. Deep.ai. Next up, we have Deep.ai, a fantastic platform for generating unlimited high-quality images for free. This is a great tool for anyone looking to explore AI-generated art without any costs involved. Once you sign up and log in, you can head over to the AI Image Generator section. There, you can enter any prompt. Let's say you want an image of a dragon flying over a castle. Just type it in, select the model that suits your needs, and hit Enter. Within seconds, you'll get a stunning image generated for you. The cool thing is, Deep.ai doesn't just stop there. You can also edit the image, make further tweaks, and share or download it for free. If you need high-quality art for personal or professional projects, this is the tool for you. Tool 3. Acool. Now let's talk about Acool, another super useful platform. Like the previous tools, Acool offers a free service for generating images based on your prompts. Once you sign up and log in, head to the Image Generator section. You'll need to input a prompt, and then you can adjust the scale and style to fit your vision. For instance, if you need an image of a cat riding a skateboard, just type it in and hit enter. The results are generated quickly, and you can make further edits before downloading. You can also share your creations directly from the platform, which is a huge plus. Tool 4. Canva. Let's move on to one of the most popular design tools out there, Canva. While Canva is known for its ease of use in graphic design, it also has a hidden gem when it comes to AI-powered image generation. To use the AI image generator, you'll need a Canva Premium account. However, don't worry. If you're interested in learning how to get access to Canva Premium, just drop a comment below, and I'll make a dedicated video on how to get it for free. Once you're set up with Canva Premium, go to the image generator section. Enter your desired prompt, like sunset over a calm beach, and let Canva work its magic. Within moments, you'll have a high-quality image ready to download and use. Canva makes it so easy to customize and even add text or other design elements, which makes it a great choice for anyone working on content creation, marketing, or social media. Bonus tool, AI. Alright, it's time for the bonus tool that you've all been waiting for. AI is perfect if you want to animate your static images and give them some movement. Let's say you have an image of a person or an object, and you want to make it more dynamic. Head over to im.mir.ai and upload your image. Once your image is uploaded, you'll have several animation options. You can zoom in, zoom out, or even create horizontal and vertical movements. You'll see the animation play in real time, and when you're satisfied, you can export the creation and use it however you like. This is an excellent tool if you want to create engaging content, whether for presentations, social media posts, or just for fun. And don't worry about the watermark. If you want to remove it, just comment below, and I'll show you how to do that for free in a future video. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more awesome AI tips and tricks in the future. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these AI tools helpful for your creative projects. Remember, the world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, so keep experimenting and exploring new tools.